Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to transfer the data to CD card on this device. So firstly go to the settings and right here tap to about the phone section. Right now you will see here the storage. Tap here and scroll down. As can you see, we got here the storage settings. And now, for example, you can choose the cameras, and now your data are saved to the internal storage, and if you want you can change it to the external storage. That means that your photos from camera will be saved on your CD card. Also the same action you can repeat with the gallery, for example, and with the tabs of your device. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.